Hey guys, it's Kay. Of course, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a wig sent from Megalook Hair. Just in case you guys are interested, like always, the links will be in my description box. So let's hop into this wig. I did go in and bleach the knots, and I plucked the hairline a little bit. I do believe, oh my god, I've been doing work on so many wigs, I can't remember what I did to this one. I know for sure I bleached the knots. So here is construction. This is what it looks like. It has three combs in the front. Then it has this elastic band, and feel free to cut it out if it serves you no purpose. And it has a comb in the back with a little bit of lace and the adjustable straps. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this on. Alright, so this is what the wig is looking like, and I did not do anything to the hairline. This is what it looked like originally, and I don't plan on doing anything to the hairline, y'all. I'm gonna keep it like this, although you could go in and pluck it if you wanted to, like pluck it some more, but I'm gonna see, you know, how this wig treats me when I apply it. Now I just love the fullness of this wig and like the curls. I can't wait to like actually wet it again.